Today's video trending song belong and Liu Haichen, the seven dialects of three women. Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Name, song belong. Nickname, song. Profession, song is a prominent Chinese actor and model. Date of birth, song was born on March 25, 1999. Birthplace, China. Family, Song grew up in a modest, hard-working household as the youngest of three children. With two older sisters, his father worked as a clerk in legal office and his mother managed a local grocery store. Debut, Song made his official acting debut in 2016 with the drama Demon Girl 2, but it was his role in Long For You that brought him early attention. Rise to fame. Song rose to fame with the 2019 drama Find Yourself, where he starred opposite Victoria Song. His role as a younger, charismatic lover won over both critics and audiences. Notable works. Song is known for key dramas like Go Ahead, In a Class for Her Own, and Beautiful Reborn Flower. Each project showcases his maturity, romantic appeal, and range as a leading man. Music career. While Song has not officially debuted as a singer, he has participated in OSTs and photo shoots with commercial elements and is known to have a keen interest in guitar and piano. Reality shows. Song has appeared in variety shows such as Day Day Up and Happy Camp, where his wit and visuals stood out. He also participated in Who's the Murderer? Net worth. As of 2025, Song's net worth is estimated at around 8 million US dollars. Income sources. Song earns from acting, commercials, magazine shoots, and social media endorsements. His strong presence in both television and fashion makes him a marketable face. Donations. Song has leveraged his celebrity for social good. On March 19, 2016, he served as a youth ambassador for the Green Bicycle Tour charity event in Chengdu, where he promoted eco-friendly transportation and hosted a fan meetup. Final note, Song stands as one of the most promising young actors in China's entertainment industry. His combination of eternal visual, natural charisma, and growing depth as an actor has earned him immense popularity both domestically and internationally. Name, Liu Houchen. Nickname, Shokan. Profession, actress. Date of birth, Liu was born on May 20, 1998. Birthplace, China. Family. Liu comes from a family that once operated a dance studio in 2012. A tragic accident occurred at that studio when a 6 year old student suffered a spinal cord injury during an exercise class. An incident later determined by Chinese courts to have been caused by improper training methods. Debut. Liu made her official acting debut in 2020 in film 1 Second. Rise to fame. Liu rose to fame rapidly after starring in Little Red Flower in 2020 alongside Jackson. Notable works. Some of Liu's most notable works include 1 Second, A Little Red Flower, Cliff Walkers, Only Fools Rush In. Music career. As of now, Lewis has not officially entered the music industry. Reality shows. Liu has made limited appearances on reality television, mostly choosing to maintain a refined and reserved public persona. She did appear in promotional and behind the scenes documentaries tied to her films. Net worth. As of 2025, Liu's estimated net worth ranges between 3 to 5 million US dollars. Income sources. Liu's main income sources include acting salaries from future films, commercials, endorsements with brands like Louis Vuitton, L'Oreal, and Floresis, fashion campaigns, and magazine appearances. Donations. She donated roughly $70,000 to flood relief efforts in Henan province following devastating rainfall earlier that year. Final note, despite controversies tied to her family, Liu has managed to maintain her status as one of China's most wide new generation actresses, with Zhang's sport and a strong foundation in dance and film. She continued to refine her craft. Her career trajectory suggests a long-term presence in both domestic and international markets. Topping charts, release of the seven relics of three women, Song and Liu became major trending topics across China's social media platforms like Weibo, Douyin, and Bilibili. Their striking visuals, compelling performances, and intense emotional dynamics in the drama led to millions of mentions and fan-generated content hashtag related to their characters, scenes, and behind-the-scenes interactions ranked high for weeks. Relationship and chemistry. Song and Liu have not officially confirmed any romantic relationship off screen. Rumors have swirled around their close rapport. During promotional events, interviews, and fan interactions, they displayed a comfortable and mutual respect that fans interpreted as a sign of a deeper bond. Famous drama chemistry. In the seven relics of three omen, Song and Liu showcased an electrifying on-screen chemistry that became the core appeal of the show. He played a conflicted protector with the dark past while she portrayed a mystical figure with the fragile yet powerful aura. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, CK Gossip.